We are just heading down to Caitlin's school because we are taking her to her bus because she's going on her school trip this morning. And she's very excited and nervous, aren't you?
Yeah.
So we're about to go and take her down and get her on the bus. Are you excited, Elle? No. So that's Caitlin away. We were stood outside ages waiting for her to leave on the bus and we're now absolutely frozen. Elle was so cold. We got her wrapped up in a blanket when we got home. And my legs are not heating up. Like my thighs are still like freezing cold. So I'm just having a coffee and then I'm about to go and get busy doing jobs in the house.
My hands not cold anymore.
They're not cold anymore. Oh, that's good. My hair's all fuzzy because I left to take Caitlin to school and my hair wasn't quite right dry. So I need to go and do something with that. I'll probably tie it up in a mum bun. And I'm tempted to get into my joggies actually because I've got lots of housework to do today. What are you doing on my head? Lots of laundry to do today. Tidying. I want to clear out Caitlin's room while she's away and get it all, get rid of loads of stuff. So that's our plans for today. Caitlin was quite happy going away. I think she was a little bit nervous, but not overly. She was mostly excited. And when she saw her friends and everything, she was fine. And she's sitting beside her friend on the bus, who's one of her really good friends. And then her other two good friends are sitting in front of her and they're going to all be sharing a room. So yeah, I think she's in safe hands. I've told them to look after each other. So I hope they have a great time. I don't know how much skiing they're going to get done because according to the forecast, it's meant to be really windy and really cold. So I don't know how much actual skiing they'll get done, but Caitlin's not too worried. She's just excited about going away with her friends. So yeah, that is our day today. Caitlin's away. We're going to go and get busy with housework. Have you got anything to add? What would you like to say? What was that?
That's an elephant.
You're being an elephant. Okay, there you go. Where are you? Bundy!
My husband again. I don't think here. Come on in.
I'm here. I'm in the living room.
Now you kiss me.
Huh?
Look at my hands.
Oh, yuck. How come you're all mucky? Elle, don't stand on the clothes. I just folded them.
Mommy, I just play on the yucky sand.
You're playing in the yucky sand. Well, what was the last thing I said? Don't play in the yucky sand.
Okay, Mom. Got one eyeball like it. Got that will not fit on it. It's not fit.
Oh.
Got a big red one and a small red one.
I love your picture.
It's got red and red.
Red and red? Let's see. Oh, a red bead and a red pom-pom. They're the same. What else is red?
Same, basically red.
Yay.
This one.
Well, I just told you not to touch it because we've just washed your hands, didn't I? Right, we're going out to the sand pit because does anyone else's sand pit look like this after the winter? Full of water and really disgusting. So I'm about to go and empty it so that we can use it again because it's all disgusting at the moment. So that's one way to do.
I can't believe it's happening.
I said don't touch it, it's all yucky still. I'll need to give it another clean and then we can use it. I've just taken it inside because the rain's on. In fact, I don't even know if it is the rain. I think it might be snow. Because it's been snowing in Aberdeenshire today, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing for Caitlin's. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing for Caitlin being away on her ski trip. Okay, hang on. I never know how to put things on, there you go, on these selling sites on Facebook and things, because I find that by the time you take the photo and post everything and then nobody buys it, it's a waste of time. But I thought I would today because I've got this globe. It's a kids early learning centre globe. It's so nice, I love it. But I had it in Caitlin's room for years, she never looked at it. Then I put it into Elle's room, never goes near it. And it just takes up loads of room, so I put it on the selling site this morning and somebody asked to buy it, so they're coming around this afternoon. So that's a bit of a bonus. So, you're getting a pumpkin. Halloween sweets.
Yeah.
So topical. Right, I'm gonna have a cup of tea and then I'm gonna get back to cleaning that tray.
Oh, it's that cat put off. That's all done.
Yeah. So Ella's just watching a TV programme and I'm trying to catch up on some work. But I thought I would check out the new Channel Mum group because there's been a lot of talk of it, and to be honest, I haven't really given it a proper look yet, so I wanted to go and check it out. It's like a forum where you can go on, there's different topics. There's like friendship and budgeting and money. There's like miscarriage and loss. There's trying to conceive, I think. There's loads of different ones. So I'm just about to do it just now and I have to sign up. So I'm going to do that and then have a look at the different pages. You can have a browse before you're signed up. You just can't comment or ask questions or anything until you're signed up. So I'm just about to do that now. How many strawberries and grapes have you eaten now? Loads and loads and loads. Do you love grapes and strawberries? What's your favourite?
Bees like strawberries.
Bees like strawberries. Do they? How do you know that?
I don't know.
You just know. Is there a reason that there's a strawberry on the sofa next to you? Were you just keeping that one there for later? Could we maybe put it back in the bowl, do you think? We won't put it back in the sofa. There we go. Good girl.
I'm more grapes.
Well, eat the strawberries maybe.
I'm more grapes.
I don't have any more. It's just strawberries left.
Tangerine.
I think we've got tangerines. I'll have a look. Okay.
Calic.
Go and look. Are you pushing me off the couch to go and look? Okay.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
And that's my one there. So I will check back later and see if I have any replies.
There.
That's it. Good job.
That's it, Mum.
What one do I need to look for?
I gotta help you.
Okay. You help me.
You got matches that one?
This one?
No.
Yeah.
That one.
So one that looks like that. So can you find one that looks like that?
That one.
Yeah, good job. Do you want to put it on for me?
Yep.
Go on then. Good girl, thank you. Whoa, they're good ones. That's it. There. Remember and hold it over the tray.
Hello.
Yay! It's 5 o'clock and Elle is getting very sleepy and cuddling into her dodo and blankie, and I think she was going to fall asleep. Where are you, Elle? So we're going to go up and have a bath, aren't we? It's a funny time to have a bath. It's a bit early, but I think it'll keep you awake and then it'll keep us going till Daddy gets home, won't it? So we're going to go and run a bath and you can have a play in the water for a bit until it's time for Daddy to get home.
Hi. Catch my hand.
Daddy's home! Are you happy Daddy's home?
Who's your favourite?
So Andrew's home, we've had our dinner and he's now putting out to bed. While he's doing that, I am just chilling out on our bed. Just now I have the laptop out I am about to watch some YouTube videos, and then I'm going to nip onto the Channel Mum group and see if anyone has answered my message. If you want to check out a Channel Mum group, I will link it in the description box. I would really recommend it. It's a great resource. It's great for meeting friends or getting advice. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to have a go of my bullet journal, sit down and do some doodling and fill some new bits in. And yeah, if you enjoyed the bullet journal videos and you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments so I know to make more. And I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would love you to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!